16 mind blowing facts about Nepal, a unique country with strange things. This country is home to the extremely rare pink dolphins. Few people know that Costa Rica is home to the extremely rare pink dolphins, one of nature's most magical wonders. If you join Eco Tour tours around the Golfo Dulce region, the chance to witness these pink dolphins swimming freely will make your journey truly unforgettable. These dolphins possess a stunning soft pink skin, creating an enchanting sight against the deep blue waters. It is a rare phenomenon in the wild, as there are very few places on Earth where you can see them in their natural habitat. Golfo Dulce, with its warm waters and rich ecosystem, has become an ideal refuge for these extraordinary dolphins. Seeing them not only brings a sense of overwhelming joy, but also serves as a reminder of the fragility of marine life. Tours in this region prioritize ecological conservation, ensuring that the dolphins' natural environment remains undisturbed. Watching pink dolphins in Costa Rica is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that every nature lover should cherish. That moment when the pink dolphins leap out of the water truly feels like touching a dream. 15. The dream destination in Central America. Hidden like a shining gem in the heart of Central America, Costa Rica is one of the smallest yet most captivating and diverse countries in the world, with an area of only about 51,100 square kilometers, roughly the size of West Virginia. This country harbors more than 5% of the world's total biodiversity, which is an astonishing figure for a nation that occupies less than 0.03% of the Earth's surface. Costa Rica is situated between Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south, with coastlines on both the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Caribbean Sea to the east. This positioning makes Costa Rica a paradise of unspoiled beaches and breathtaking landscapes. Just imagine starting your day with a sunrise over the Caribbean coast and winding down with a spectacular sunset on the Pacific. This is the dream that Costa Rica offers within reach. The name Costa Rica, meaning rich coast in English, originates from Christopher Columbus's impression when he explored this land in 1502. In reality, Costa Rica's treasure lies not in gold or minerals, but in its nature, people, and culture, all of which combine to create an unparalleled charm. The climate of Costa Rica is one of the key reasons why it is an ideal destination for those from the US or Europe seeking to escape harsh winters. With average temperatures ranging from 20 to 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year and two distinct seasons, the lush and cool rainy season and the bright and dry season, this country feels like an everlasting spring. With a population of around 5.2 million people, Costa Rica is inhabited by peaceful, nature-loving individuals. Most residents are of Spanish descent, and although Spanish is the official language, English is commonly spoken in tourist areas, making it a friendly destination for international visitors. Costa Ricans, known as Ticos, are renowned for their hospitality and their pura vida lifestyle, which promotes living joyfully, simply, and in harmony with nature. If you are in search of a place to experience unspoiled nature, warm-hearted people, and a laid-back way of life, Costa Rica fits the bill perfectly. This small nation can lead you to believe that true happiness does not stem from size or riches, but from the harmony between humans and the surrounding world. Ranked number 14 among the happiest countries in the world, if there's a place on earth that truly embodies the essence of happiness, it is Costa Rica. This petite nation led the Happy Planet Index HPI rankings from 2016 to 2020 as published by the New Economics Foundation. This happiness arises not only from its stunning natural beauty but also from the distinctive Pura Vida philosophy, a way of life filled with love and balance embraced by its people. Imagine a child growing up in rural Costa Rica, surrounded by lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and one of the richest ecosystems on our planet. But that's not all. Costa Rica proudly provides free education up to university level, high quality healthcare, and even sends medical staff to remote areas to take care of expectant mothers. With a robust social network built on family, friends, and community, the average life expectancy in Costa Rica stands at 79.1 years, which is quite impressive for a country with a GDP per capita of about $12,000. Additionally, Costa Rica is a premier destination for ecotourism, with over 25% of its land designated as protected natural areas. It's a place where one can hear howler monkeys in the dense forests or watch sea turtles nesting on the beach under the moonlight. From nearly 100% renewable energy to strong environmental conservation initiatives, Costa Rica has shown that even a small nation can accomplish remarkable feats. Number 13. Costa Rica, the kingdom of some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Not only is Costa Rica a tropical paradise, but it also boasts one of the finest collections of beaches globally. With more than 1,300 kilometers of coastline along the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, each beach here has its own unique allure. One can easily envision a delightful holiday at Manuel Antonio Beach, with its fine white sand and clear blue waters. Or at Tamarindo Beach, where surfers from all over the globe flock to take on its formidable waves. However, Costa Rica has much more to offer than just these renowned beaches. Picture a unique beach like Playa de los Muertos, where the water illuminates at night due to bioluminescent marine life, creating a magical sight that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Beaches like these provide visitors with an unforgettable experience that will surely leave you spellbound in number 12, the land of cross-border marriages. If you have ever dreamt of a love story reminiscent of the movies, Costa Rica could very well be the place to turn that fantasy into reality. With its stunning natural beauty, sun-kissed skin, and expressive eyes that convey a gentle yet resilient nature, Costa Rican women always make a lasting impression on international guests. Interestingly, an increasing number of women here are choosing to marry foreigners, especially Americans and Europeans. What is it that makes this nation so appealing? It's not simply their external beauty, but also their warm demeanor, hospitality, and strong family values. Costa Rican women are open, genuine, and always ensure that others feel at home, much like this country welcomes the world. Additionally, Costa Rica is home to a substantial expatriate community, with around 70,000 Americans residing here, creating an environment conducive to cross-border relationships. In many instances, marrying a foreigner offers Ticas, the women of Costa Rica, the chance to explore the world while promoting cultural exchange and creating unique love stories. Just imagine a romantic wedding on the sun-kissed beaches, where two cultures come together in a celebration brimming with laughter and music. So, how can you win their hearts? Ticas tend to shy away from grand gestures. Rather, they appreciate simple and heartfelt actions. A romantic candlelight dinner, a compliment on their intelligence, or even dancing to lively salsa music on the beach can easily win them over. They take immense pride in their Costa Rican heritage, so acknowledging and valuing this beautiful country will undoubtedly earn you some brownie points. It's no wonder that Costa Rica has turned into a bridge of love for those in search of meaningful relationships. With about 70,000 Americans having made this place their home and a vibrant international community, forming romantic connections against the backdrop of the stunning natural beauty of this country feels like a dream that is close at hand. And now, let's talk about number 10. Airplane Hotel, a truly extraordinary marvel in Costa Rica. Can you envision an old Boeing 727 aircraft landing in the midst of a tropical rainforest and being converted into an opulent hotel? In Costa Rica, this dream has come to life. This airplane, which once soared through the skies, now offers a unique lodging experience, complete with comfortable bedrooms, a modern kitchen, a full bathroom, and a breathtaking rooftop that provides panoramic views of the verdant rainforest. What makes this hotel so attractive is the daring design paired with an amazing location. When you stay here, you not only get to enjoy a unique space, you feel as though you're enveloped by the beauty of unspoiled nature, akin to a Hollywood dream come true. This Boeing 727 hotel is truly the ideal destination for anyone in search of new experiences and wanting to explore Costa Rica in a completely distinctive manner. Now, moving on to women involved in special fish, leather, fashion craft. On the sunlit shores of Costa de Pajaros, you can spot women from Costa Rica meticulously working with pieces of fish leather. In their skilled and patient hands, these discarded fish skins, previously regarded as waste from the fishing industry, are transformed into materials for sustainable fashion. The process of converting fish leather into fashion items is nothing short of magical. Each step from cleaning and dyeing to drying requires careful attention and time, resulting in soft, durable, and odorless leather that is perfect for making necklaces, earrings, or handbags. Just picture this. From the serene beaches of Costa Rica, a pair of fish leather butterfly earrings may be priced at just Rs 550, but also embody the determination and creativity of the women here. Costa Rica is at the forefront of the recycling and sustainable fashion movement, upholding the ancient traditions of indigenous peoples from North America to Northern Europe. Lastly, number 9. A country without an army. Costa Rica is one of the select few nations globally that does not maintain a standing army, a daring and distinctive decision taken in 1948. Instead of investing in weapons and military forces, its defense budget is directed towards education, healthcare, and nature conservation, which contributes to making Costa Rica one of the happiest countries on earth. Just imagine a country with no soldiers, tanks, or military bases, yet managing to uphold its sovereignty and peace for over 75 years. It feels like a real-life fairy tale, positioning Costa Rica as a unique example of sustainable peace. This is why it is often called the Switzerland of Central America. Number 8 is the strict smoking regulations. If you smoke, Costa Rica may come as a surprise. With some of the toughest smoking laws in Central America, surpassing even many European nations, Costa Rica is at the forefront of safeguarding public health. Since 2012, the country's anti-smoking regulations have entirely prohibited smoking in most public spaces, including parks, stadiums, bus stations, restaurants, bars, and even near public buildings. This has made Costa Rica one of the cleanest places to live for both residents and visitors. Interestingly, many Europeans have commented that they find Costa Rica even more stringent than their own countries, which already have quite rigorous smoking laws. Smokers in Costa Rica need to be vigilant, as fines for breaching smoking regulations can escalate to as much as $100, which is quite a hefty sum for what might seem like a minor infraction. So, it is important to check where smoking is permitted before you visit. Number 7. No specific home addresses. Can you picture living in a place where your home address isn't a flat number and street name, but described using landmarks? In Costa Rica, this intriguing fact makes it one of the most unique destinations in the world. An address could be described as 200 meters north of the church, or 75 meters east of the supermarket. This system is not only traditional, but is also deeply embedded in local culture, showcasing how people relate to familiar landmarks. Particularly in rural areas where streets lack names, these inventive descriptions give each location a sense of narrative. For tourists, this presents both a challenge and an opportunity to explore. You aren't merely arriving at a destination, you are experiencing Costa Rica in an entirely different manner. It's an adventure that no GPS can replicate. Number 6. The Kingdom of 100% Premium Arabica Coffee. If you are a coffee enthusiast, Costa Rica is the ultimate destination for you. With over 1 million bags of coffee produced each year, this small country in Central America has rightfully established itself as a paradise for premium coffee beans. The secret to this excellence lies in the volcanic fertility of the soil, the perfect altitude, and the warm climate throughout the year, all coming together to create the ideal conditions for cultivating high-quality Arabica coffee. But what's most remarkable is that in Costa Rica, brewing low-quality coffee isn't merely discouraged, it's actually illegal. This is the only country in the world that has a law mandating that coffee produced must be 100% Arabica, renowned for its rich and balanced flavor. This distinction makes Costa Rica not just a coffee producer, but a symbol of sophisticated and meticulous coffee culture. For Costa Ricans, coffee plays a vital role in daily life. From heartfelt conversations over a steaming cup to mornings infused with the aroma of brewing coffee and social gatherings, coffee is not merely a beverage, but an experience of connection. Locals even rely on a traditional coffee making tool known as the correador, crafted from wood and cloth, to prepare perfect cups of coffee that modern machines cannot replicate. Imagine enjoying pure Arabica coffee in a quaint coffee shop in the Central Valley, while the owner shares the story of the beans cultivated on nearby volcanic slopes. Costa Rica offers not just coffee but a whole culture and narrative that will engage all your senses. Number 5. Costa Rica, the land of cultural and natural festivals. This green paradise in the heart of Central America draws visitors not only with its stunning natural beauty but also with its vibrant cultural celebrations. The highlight of the year is the Fiestas Patrias National Festival, celebrated on September 15th to honor the country's independence. Colorful parades featuring traditional costumes, marimba music, and folk dances fill the streets, embodying the spirit of national pride. One of the most unique festivals is the Fiesta de los Diablitos, or Festival of the Little Devils, organized by the indigenous Baruca community. It takes place at the end of December or early January and reenacts the symbolic battles between the indigenous people and Spanish colonizers through traditional dances. The hand-carved, brightly painted wooden masks add to the festival's intrigue, making it truly one of a kind. Next, we have number 4, San Jose. It is the vibrant heart of Costa Rica. Nestled amidst the lush valleys of the Central Valley Mountains, San Jose, the capital city of Costa Rica, presents a colorful blend of history and modernity. With a population of over 340,000 and a sprawling metropolitan area of 2.2 million, San Jose is the political, economic, and cultural hub of the country. Established in the 18th century, the city harmoniously combines historic charm with contemporary vibrancy. San Jose is renowned for its unique museums, including the Pre-Columbian Gold Museum, which showcases thousands of ancient gold artifacts that allow visitors to experience the grandeur of bygone Central American civilizations. Equally captivating is the Jade Museum, which houses the world's largest collection of jade, offering insights into indigenous culture through its exquisite jewelry and artifacts. If New York is dubbed the city that never sleeps, San Jose is a place where every nook and corner narrates a tale. Do not miss the National Theatre of Costa Rica, an architectural marvel from the late 19th century, often likened to a smaller version of the Paris Opera House. San Jose enjoys a temperate climate throughout the year, with average temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius, providing a year-round spring-like ambience. It is no surprise that many Americans and Europeans visit to experience a laid-back yet comfortable lifestyle. San Jose also embodies the warm spirit of the Costa Ricans. You will frequently hear locals say Pura Vida, a greeting that translates to pure life. With tree-lined streets, inviting coffee shops, and the friendly smiles of the locals, it is a place not just to visit, but to truly immerse yourself in a different way of life. As for number 3, Costa Rica is one of the most diverse travel destinations in the world. It is not merely a small country in Central America. It is a haven of unforgettable experiences for every traveler. With over 17 kilometers of coastline along both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, it boasts stunning beaches like Tamarindo, ideal for surfing, and Puerto Viejo, renowned for its crystal clear waters and cultural diversity. If you are a nature enthusiast, do not miss Manuel Antonio National Park, where tropical rainforests meet pristine beaches. Though small, the park is home to the highest diversity of plant and animal life in the world, and you may encounter playful capuchin monkeys or lazy sloths lounging on the trees. For those seeking adventure, Arenal volcano is a must visit. Imagine relaxing in natural hot springs while enjoying the sight of a magnificent volcano in the distance. Costa Rica is also home to Monteverde, a cloud forest reserve that feels like entering a fairy tale realm, with clouds softly enveloping the trees. Moreover, Costa Rica leads the way in sustainable tourism. You can join a turtle watching tour in Tortuguero or visit the historic coffee estates in the highlands. Costa Rica is where all your travel aspirations turn into reality. Whether it's discovering nature, enjoying the beaches, or scaling grand mountains, you are in for an inspiring journey that is as beautiful as it is transformative. Now, moving on to point number 2, the cost of living in Costa Rica. Living here offers a refreshing getaway for those looking for a slower pace of life without stretching their budget. When compared to the US or Europe, the cost of living in Costa Rica is surprisingly affordable. For example, renting a one-bedroom flat in a major city like San Jose averages around $500 to $700 per month, which is significantly less than what you'd pay in most US cities, where the same accommodation could cost $100 to $500 or more. Monthly utility bills for electricity, water, and garbage service typically amount to about $50 to $100, and high-speed internet usually ranges from $30 to $50. Dining out in Costa Rica is quite pocket-friendly as well. A meal at a local eatery costs around $10 to $15, while your grocery expenses for a month may come to roughly $200 to $250 if you shop locally. This is significantly more affordable than dining or grocery bills in cities like New York or Paris, where one could easily spend double the amount. Public transportation is quite economical, with bus fares costing less than Rs 70. For those who prefer added convenience, taxis are also reasonably priced, averaging between Rs 400 and Rs 800 for short rides. To maintain a balanced lifestyle, a gym membership typically costs around Rs 500 per month, and healthcare expenses are considerably lower compared to the US. Doctor visits start at approximately 500 to 3,000. Overall, you could live comfortably in Costa Rica for about 90,000 to 120,000 per month, which is roughly 40 to 50% cheaper than living in many parts of the US or Europe. It's a budget-friendly option for retirees or anyone wanting to enjoy life in paradise without the steep price tag. Given these costs, would you consider settling here? If yes, reply with 1. If no, reply with 0. Please share your response in the comments. One food in Costa Rica. When it comes to Costa Rican cuisine, one is immediately reminded of a world rich with vibrant colors and fresh flavors, using natural ingredients from both the sea and the land. Every meal here is an unforgettable experience. Picture yourself enjoying gallo pinto, Costa Rica's renowned breakfast dish made from rice and black beans, sauteed together with a touch of green chili and garlic. It's simple yet absolutely captivating, reminiscent of southern dishes in the US, but with a unique twist. Another classic is casado, a traditional dish made with rice, beans, chicken or beef, vegetables, and fried plantains, showcasing the rich variety in every meal. And do not forget the fresh ceviche, prepared with fresh fish and lime juice, offering a wonderfully refreshing taste similar to a cool breeze on a hot summer day. A special drink worth trying in Costa Rica is Tertulia, a strong and rich coffee that sets Costa Rican coffee apart from all others. Its bold, deep flavor is akin to a strong cup of American coffee, but with a unique depth. Each dish not only nourishes the body but also enriches the story of this beautiful country with a rich identity. We have just explored 15 unique and fascinating facts about Costa Rica together. I hope this has given you a fresh perspective on the country. See you in the next one.